Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and for this episode of Festive Baking, we are taking a look at stuffing balls. Now, just make sure you do not pre-crack your eggs by letting them roll off your chopping board, because that could get messy. Now, for this recipe, you will need 2 large eggs, 1 large onion diced, 2 sticks of celery sliced, a tablespoon of dry or fresh sage, 2 sliced cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, a couple of slices of chopped bacon, 250 grams of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Now to start, fry off your bacon in the butter and then add your onion and celery with the bay leaves and fry until softened, and then add your garlic and fry for a further 2 minutes. And then remove from the heat and let cool. Also remove your bay leaves. Once cooled, mix your sage with your breadcrumbs and any other dry seasonings like salt or pepper that you wish to add, and then crack and mix in your eggs, and then add in your fried ingredients and give a good stir to evenly distribute all of the stuff in the stuffing. Now you can simply turn this into a baking dish and just cook it as a block of stuffing, or you can shape it into stuffing balls. To simply do this, just take some stuffing in your hand and gently shape it with one hand. I went for roughly the size where I could still close my hand around it, and then place on a lined baking sheet. I managed to get roughly 12 stuffing balls in total, and then simply place in a 200-degree centigrade oven for around 20 minutes or until golden brown around the edges, and then simply serve as is. Now, that is all for this episode of Festive Baking. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all again next time. Thanks for watching.